A quality dado set is a must-have in the wood shop, and it makes creating tight-fitting slots, finger joints, and rabbets super easy. There's two ways to make a dado channel, or at least two styles of blades that can do the job. A traditional dado set, like this Extreme Series Grizzly version, and a wobble style dado blade. The wobble style of dado blades lets you adjust the tilt of the blade on the large arbor piece, but the wider the dado gets, the more you end up with a cove shape, which is why I mainly prefer the traditional dado set. Let's take a look at this set a bit closer and install it. Included in a dado set are an inner and outer main blade with the carbide cutting edge facing outward for a square channel. Those full blades are designed to sandwich the chipper blades inside, and this set has heavier chippers as well as a thinner chipper as needed. The idea is you want to build out your dado stack to the exact dimensions needed, up to 29/32 of an inch, if you used all the included blades. There's even magnetic adjustment shims included that can be sandwiched between layers to refine the fit further. Just be sure not to double up shims in one spot, or you might end up with a space not cut by the blades. Pro tip, if you don't have magnetic shims with your dado set, simply put some lubricating spray on a thin metal shim and it will stick well to the blades. You can see as I install the blades and chippers that I am staggering the teeth. This helps reduce wear on the blades, keeps the blades from coming in contact with each other, plus helps with funneling the chips out of the cut area. Once you have the right number of blades in place, press the stack together and measure the thickness. A test cut on a scrap piece of material will be the best gauge for exact channel width, but the tape can give you a good starting point. Remember with dado blades that you do not use the same size as a traditional table saw blade, like a 10-inch blade used on this saw. Sets come in 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, with the 10 and 12-inch sizes really being specific to production size machinery, since they weigh a whole lot more and require a large horsepower machine to power properly. Most common is the 6-inch and 8-inch versions. And regardless of the size you choose, just remember that you need to account for the smaller diameter when adjusting depth for your dado. With dados, you'll also need to take into account the table insert you have, and most saws have inserts available for purchase if they don't come with the machine originally. Aftermarket inserts, or homemade ones, can allow you to make a zero clearance that is specific to your commonly used dado stacks. So, that's a closer look at a traditional dado set and how to set it up for your next project. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing to Grizzly Industrial.